Hi, I'm Joey Atkins. I am the homeowner here. I'm a managing broker and owner of At Home Realty Group here in Granger, Indiana. So we always advise our clients when they're looking for their dream home to not necessarily look for every aspect of their dream home in each house, but to find a house that they can turn into their dream home. So when I saw this home, there was a wall that needed to be knocked out and a few items of the home that could be upgraded, one being the railing on the stairway. Our main goal was to completely change the feel of this whole open space with as little money as possible. The railing was actually the last step of the remodel and kind of brought it all together and made the whole place transform. But once the railing was in, it really modernized the entire space, and it finally felt open, and that was when we kind of realized how a few little changes can change the entire room. I did not realize how big of a difference it would make. And then when we came home one day and it was all done, it looked like a completely new home. I went and stood in the corner and took a picture of the whole space, and it didn't look anything like it did the day I bought it. By the time it was all said and done, I probably added far more value than what we put into it. A few little changes can go a long way.